And that is how you export a PowerPoint or a Word document to a PDF.
That's really good, Tess. But what if we're working from home?
You mean to present to you?
Oh, yeah.
Well, I can share a PowerPoint on Teams, can't I?
Can you?
Yeah, and actually there's a great new feature now, so I can present live on the screen with the presentation as well.
Ooh.
Should we take a look at presenter mode in Teams?
I think that sounds like an awesome idea.
So today I'm going to show you how to use presenter mode in PowerPoint Live because that's really useful. So you just go to the Share Content tab and I'm going to choose a PowerPoint that I want to share. So PowerPoint Live, just as a side note, is a great way of sharing PowerPoint slides without having to kind of go into, without sharing your screen. So all they see is the presentation slides that you want to share with them, as you can see here. So you can see in the top ribbon that you can select presenter mode, and there I am. So I can sit on my slides, and this is how your participant will see it. You can still see all your notes. You can see how you look on the screen as well. And then I can just easily switch it off. That's particularly useful if maybe you're handing over to another participant or you don't want them to see you anymore. I'm now going to stop presenting and I'm just going to show you a couple of other ways you can use presenter mode because it doesn't just have to be used for PowerPoint Live. So in the Share Content tab, you can see it's right at the top here, presenter mode, so you can have standout, side by side, or reporter mode. So that will show you presenting your material, whatever you're sharing, in slightly different ways. So I'm just going to show you a non-PowerPoint version. So this is just sharing one of my files in side-by-side mode. So as you can see, I'm next to what I'm presenting, so it's easy for the person that I'm meeting with to see what I'm showing without having to, and I can kind of like point at things. It's great. So bye, and thanks for watching today.